Today is my first day with a tiny camcorder and I'm thrilled beyond words. There is something unique about having something so small, portable and entirely my own. I've been eager to start filming more of my life moments, capturing the charm in those ordinary, often overlooked details. Have you ever had a camera like that? My dad used to record our family moments with a similar one, and just holding it brings me back to those days. It reminds me of the times when my sister, my friend and I would make our own little movies. The moments I love to capture are simple yet beautiful. The light streaming through the windows in the afternoon, sun rays dancing in my room, the tree and birds living their lives outside, and the climbing plant that in just 10 months has covered the tree trunk in our garden. Breakfast, matcha tea, so many small things that can bring joy into our lives.